Well, maybe even before I get there, tell me what was the desire or the passion behind writing the book in the first place?
Yeah. Well, I just finished the previous book project, which was scaling up. And before that, I'd done a number of audiobooks or simpler books, but scaling up was a lot. And that became, it was a massive, massive project, and interviewing 50 CEOs around the world. And it, as a result, I ended up burnt out at the end of that project myself. And as I was looking at that and thinking about all the other people I work with that are high strung, high performers who take on massive commitments, more than they can realistically handle. And I thought, when on being on airplanes all the time and hearing them saying, put the oxygen mask on first. And I had a mentor who had told me that lots early in my career. And I was in one of those moments when I needed to. And I said, maybe I should do my next book project more around the individual and their growth and their resilience, or my growth and my resilience. Because the other one was all about scaling the company. This is really about scaling ourselves and making sure that we get to play at the next level, and how to manage the rough spots, like, the burnouts and the setbacks and all those other kinds of things. So it was kind of almost a change of pace. And I was looking at my own, exhaustion at the end of that few-year project.